Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to make this beautiful water candle. We just need a glass bowl, some stuff to beautify the glass, water, cotton wick, lamp oil or cooking oil, and a piece of transparent cover. Take a glass bowl and keep some stuff in it to beautify the glass. I'm using seashells. You can use flowers, water balls, stones or colorful beads. Just beautify the glass with anything. Then add some water. Then take lamp oil or cooking oil and make a layer on the water. I am using cooking oil and keep it aside. Take the transparent paper and make a hole in the middle. Then adjust the wick in the hole. See, like this. Then float it on the oil. That's it. Done with mine. Go and prepare yours. You can use it for candlelight dinners, birthday party decorations. And it's very simple and best for decorations. Thanks for watching guys. See you on my next video.